Lesson 5. Production. Production is the process by which different inputs, including capital, labor, and the land, are used to create outputs in the form of products and services. Factors of production. Factors of production are the resources used to create goods and services. These are typically categorized as land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. These resources are the building blocks of an economy, determining what and how much can be produced. Factors of production. Number 1. Land. This refers to the natural resources, including the land itself and any resources found within or upon it. Example, minerals and water. Number 2, labor. This encompasses the human effort, including physical and mental work, used in the production process. Number 3, capital. This refers to the manufactured goods used in production, such as machinery, tools, and factories. Number 4, entrepreneurship. This is the ability to organize and combine the other factors of production, such as land, labor, and capital, to create new goods and services, taking on risk and seeking profits. Methods of production. Number 1, mechanization. Product creation is carried out by machines instead of humans. It is powered by energy, and this speeds up production, resulting in higher output. Number 2, production line. In this system, a conveyor belt is used to create the product. The created product moves through the equipment that passes through the workers who combine their respective tasks in creating the product. Number 3, division of labor. The work are related to each other. The performance of the work of the workers are organized according to their specialization. Number 4, automation. A task is performed using machines and technology that no one controls. They are merely observers. Number 5, robotics. It is controlled by computers in factories and industries. Robots are controlled by computers and used to create products. Cost of production. Number 1, total cost. This is the total cost of producing goods and services. It is obtained by adding together total fixed cost and total variable cost. Number 2, total fixed cost. These are the cost of paying for factors that do not change. Number 3, total variable cost. These are variable costs that adjust to the level of production. Number 4, average total cost. This is the total cost of each product when the average fixed cost and average variable cost are combined. This gives entrepreneurs an idea of how to price the product. Number 5, average fixed cost. This is the constant cost per product based on the total fixed cost of production. Number 6, average variable cost. This is the cost of each product that changes according to the level of production. Number 7, marginal cost. This is the cost of each additional product activity. Here, you can find out how much each product added costs. Business organization. A business organization is a structured entity, often with legal and operational distinctiveness, that engage in commercial activities. It is the framework within which individuals collaborate to achieve a common goal, typically involving the provision of goods and services. This structure can range from small, locally owned business to large multinational corporations. Types of business organization. Number 1, sole proprietorship. Owned and run by one individual with personal asset at risk. Number 2, partnership. Two or more individuals agreed to manage a business together. Number 3, corporation. A separate legal entity from its owners. There are shareholders who hold the stock and offering limited liability. Number 4, cooperative. Owned and operated by its members, typically for mutual benefit.